name's Tim McDaniel. I am the instructor for virtual reality content development. I teach all the courses within the virtual reality content developer program, as well as Python programming and PowerShell programming for the cybersecurity degree. In the industry, I worked for years as a software engineer, starting out as a junior level web developer and working my way up to a senior software engineer. Most recently, before I came to Cochise College, I was working on virtual reality development as a senior engineer for Northrop Grumman. For my classes, my students always walk away with this technical skill set that's hard to explain to other people, but it's also sometimes difficult to internalize. So I try to instill with them the confidence that they are good at this skill set and they can walk away knowing that even if they have small bits and pieces they're still working on, they do know exactly what they're talking about. For new students coming into Cochise College, I want them to all know that they shouldn't overwhelm themselves with everything that's out there. Try to maintain your focus, and even if you have small falter points, make sure that you're talking to your instructors and you make us aware of help that you need, because we're here to help you facilitate your success. Cochise matters to me because this small community, we are probably the most accessible secondary education for the populace. We have so many options here, and it's so easy for students to come in from high school or adult learners to come in if they're trying to change their career or learn new things. We have so many things available for them.